Welcome to the Partner Studio program. Today is going to be a tutorial about how to use the Discord. So we are in the lobby right now. So as long as you can find your way to the Cave Bear Games lobby, you should be able to figure everything else out. So with the Partner Studio role that you now have access to, you will find a new category. So if we go over here to the channel list, you can find the categories here. So this is the welcome category. I can close it. Then we are right now in the lobby. We are in the chatter spaces category. There is the Cave Bear Games studio category. There is the Plantasia category, the game dev corner category, and now the partner studios category. The vast majority of channels in here are specifically for the partner studio role and private to the partner studios. So the first channel is the application partner program channel. This is a public channel, so everyone can see this, and it just shows some information about the partner studio program and how to apply. But there is also the private channels. The first one is the partner announcements channel. This one is very important. It is where I tag you all when I have announcements. If I send an email, I will, post it here for you. Then we have the opportunities updates channel. I'm actually going to skip this one for a second. We're going to come back to it. There's also the official resources channel. This one is for things such as the code of conduct, recorded events, any resources that we might have. This one is going to be expanding greatly soon, but definitely come here. Definitely make sure you have read the code of conduct. And see what you are allowed to do. This CBG Discord access also kind of goes through the channels that you have access to as well. So make sure that you read this. Then there is the partner profiles channel. This one is public as well. Everyone can see this, but only you with the partner studio role can actually post. When you join the program, we really encourage you to create a new thread here. And you can do that just by clicking new post and going through it. You will see here that I have a partner studio profile format guide. Please copy this code bit here and use that to make your new post for your studio profile. You can just read this whole thing and you will know what to do. This partner profile is so that the people who eventually apply to your studio will be able to come here and learn a bit about your studio and the games that you are making. So it's really important that you do this. Now we are going to go down to the opportunities channel. This is kind of the biggest one. This is where you will go if you are looking to recruit, volunteer, rev share team members to your studio and your game project. Again, there is a posting guide here. So please make sure you are copying it and using this to the best of your ability. It's not mandatory to follow this posting guide, but it is highly, highly, highly suggested. And please, I want your feedback on how your posts do, if you get applications or if you do not get applications. Make sure that you are using this posting guide. And then again, you will just create a new post using that copied and pasted guide and post it. Make sure you use these tags here. Sound, community, programming, narrative. If you are posting a sound design opportunity, make sure you just click sound. If you're posting multiple ones, make sure you click, the multiple tags, whatever is relevant to whatever post you are making. That is how you do that. Okay. There are a couple other chats here. There's the Partner Studios chat. I'm not going to click into it. It has sensitive information, but that is the main chat for all the Partner Studios to talk, get to know each other, ask questions, answer questions. Be sure that you have this and you know about this. And then there's this suggestions inbox. This is if you have a suggestion for the partner program. This is if you have studio members that you want to add to the partner role. You can do that here. Just send us a ticket, and all you do is just open a ticket. Tell us what your suggestion is, what you need, and we will kind of get back to you on it. Then we have the voice channels, the partner chat and the partner stage, which are, just voice channels for you to use. So you are on the Partner Studios category right now. You may or may not see all of these channels that I talked about. If you do not see all the channels that I talked about here, that means you need to scroll all the way up to the top of the channel list and go to this channels and roles button here. Here you will see the customize your role. So if you haven't chosen your roles yet, please do. But also over here, this tab, Browse Channels, is really what we're looking for. This will list all of the channels that you have access to. And if they are checked, that means they are popping up over here on your page. But if they are not checked, that means they are hidden. And so if you want to either follow that whole category, you can click here. Or if you want to just follow one specific category or one specific channel, you can do that here. So you want to scroll down to the Partner Studios section here, category here, and make sure that all of these are checked. So I would really recommend following this category. Okay, you want to have all of these channels active on your channel list. And also, if we add more channels to this category later, you want to make sure that they automatically pop up when we create them instead of having to come back to this tab here and pick them out again. Okay. All right. So one more thing I forgot. So you have officially posted an opportunity. You have followed the formatted posting guide. Fantastic. But you are not done. You need to come over back up to Opportunity Updates channel and make sure that you are posting and tagging the opportunities channel. So basically, you cannot tag the opportunities role, which is the role that all of the volunteers, people who want to volunteer at your studio, they have the opportunities role, just as you have the partner studio role. You cannot tag them in these posts. It will let you, but they won't actually get pinged. They won't get notified because just the way Discord works, there's too many people to ping in this forum channel. It's just they won't let you. So that's why we have the opportunities updates channel. So when you have posted one or more opportunities, you will then come to this chat, just write a quick message, make sure you tag the opportunities channel or the opportunities role here by doing that, and then saying we are hiring for an artist and a sound designer. Put a little bit more detail, but not too much detail. This one up here by Nathan is totally perfect. But then you also want to make sure that you are then going and tagging, linking that opportunity posting, that original one. And you can do that by typing the pound sign, the hashtag sign, and then the title. So if I do Cave Bear Games, you can see these are the ones that I have open right now, and then you would just click on that and it would post, it would link automatically. If you have multiple positions open at one time, then you would just do that again and find it and then post it, right? So because you are tagging this role, they will get pinged personally, and then because you pinged them, they'll see the post, and because you've linked, they'll then be able to go to just click that and go to the opportunity. Okay. All right, so that should be it on the little tutorial for the Partner Studios. If you have questions, please let me know. And of course, please give me feedback on the channels if you want to see more stuff, and especially feedback on how your opportunities are going. All right, thanks, bye.